This is weird. We've got some slime liquor, blue raz, sour filled chocolate bar with a raspberry puree in it. I don't know what this is going to be like. Here's our candy bar, and there is our sour filling. It's chocolate, and the inside is very sour, actually. So I'm happy about that. They're not awful together, but they're not amazing. Sour alone, say out of 10. But I give this like a 6.5 out of 10. If you're curious, try it. Otherwise, do not. Thanks for watching. Remember, guys, food should be an adventure.
We're going to be trying Blue Raz sour filled milk chocolate bar. I just read it off the title. Oh, it is filled. Smells like Blue Raz and chocolate.
That looks very blue. You don't like it, Marcus?
It's a little sour.
Too sour. Let's get a close-up of that blue inside. Oh, yeah, that looks funky.
It's good.
What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
What do you rate it, Marcus?
12,000.
Fair.